In this video, I'll show you how to find your PayPal merchant ID quickly and safely. First, open the PayPal website on your browser and log in with your email and password. For this, it's best to use the desktop site, because some options don't always appear in the mobile app. Next, check that you're using a business PayPal account, since the merchant ID is mainly shown on business profiles. If you have a personal account, you may see a payer ID instead of a merchant ID. Now, click the settings icon or your profile in the top right corner, then go to Account Settings or Account Details. On the left side, look for Business Information or a similar section. Click it, and on that page, you should see your merchant account ID listed along with your business name and contact details. You can now copy this ID and paste it wherever it's needed, like in payment gateways, website integrations, or marketplace settings. Just remember not to share it publicly unless it's specifically requested by a trusted platform. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.